Hi, this is Charity, and I'm here to talk about Inq-Blotter, which is our teacher alert platform. And so when you first get into Inq-Blotter, you will not see any alerts. And what you're waiting for is for your students to become active. So if all of your students are inactive, then you're not going to have any alerts. But once your students start becoming active in the system, then you're going to start to see some alerts coming up. And so what you can do is you can look at the alert and it'll tell you what's going on. So Ramona claimed that an independent variable was being measured and may be struggling to understand what an independent variable is. Okay, so then I can see that the independent variable was amount of ice versus melting point. So I can go over and I can help Ramona. And then the other thing I can do is I can change my settings. So I can say, hey, the highlight alerts that were received in the last 3 minutes, maybe gray out alerts after 8. And then maybe if I'm doing this more of in a distance learning environment, I want to see resolved alerts for 5 minutes, right? Because I want to see if the students or Rex, the tutor, if they together, Rex and the student were able to resolve that alert. I still want to see it. So I'm going to say for 5 minutes. And then I can find out if my students are not progressing, if they're slowing down. And then I can change my class-wide alerts. So I can mess with those settings. And then if I'm doing a synchronous learning, and my class time finishes, I can clear out all the alerts for that class. But so this was going to show me my class-wide alerts up here, my individual alerts here, so I can see what's going on with everybody, and then I can click into the students. Maybe I feel like Jill and Tomomi, they sit next to each other, they can work together to figure this out. They're pretty good at struggling, but maybe Lioness is one that gets frustrated really easily. So maybe I'm walking over there. Oh, he is targeting a dependent variable. So I'm going to walk over there and I'm going to focus Linus on reading that goal and on remembering what is it that he's going to try to change. Now, personally, I found it very helpful to have students get out a piece of paper and write it out in pictures, big green arrow for up, big red arrow for down, write out that information. And I can go through whether they're struggling with hypothesizing, collecting data, analyzing data. I am going to get those alerts here and I'm going to be able to know how my students are struggling, the history of how they've done today. I'm going to see any other alerts. I'm going to be able to see the goal and the independent variable and the dependent variable and lots of other information. Very, very, very helpful information. So I can help my students whether they're in the class or not. I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you and have a great day.